Hello everyone, I am excited to participate in this month's Why Would You Make collaboration. So fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the ride because it is full of creativity. As hosts, we have Razak and Lay's DIY and Divine Designs. As guest hosts, we have Farmhouse Frugally. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. Here's the DIY we're working on today. It is nice and simple and I created it for all the neutral tones fans, so let's get crafting. For this project we will use 2 wooden wreath bases, some paper cover wire, this one is from Amazon, small wooden flowers, and some wooden leaves. First, I will cut 25 pieces of wire, but you can do less or more for your project. Also, the wire size is double the size of the wooden ring. If the wooden ring is 12 inches, I'm cutting the wire to 24 inches long. Here are my 25 wires. Next, I will twist them together to form the tree trunk. Next, I will grab a few wires and form branches, as you can see here. Remember, continue moving up to grow the trunk and create more branches. I want this tree to look like it is moving with the wind, so it will be tilting to one side. I want to thank all my subscribers for their encouragement and kind words. This is for you, and I hope you enjoy it. If you are new, welcome. Please consider subscribing as there are some incredible DIYs coming soon. Now I will create even smaller branches that will touch the wooden ring. Next, I will use clamps to glue the tree trunk to the bottom of the wooden ring. It is important to separate all the wires, as we're looking for a flash finish to place the other wooden ring on top. You will see this step in a moment. Now I will move on to glue and clamp each branch to the wooden ring. As I was creating this tree, I was reminded of how life takes turns and twists. This tree is a great representation of someone's life, but the most important thing is growing in amazing ways. The glue is not entirely dry yet, but is holding the wires. To save time, I will add more glue, attach the second wooden ring, and clamp everything together. Next, I will trim all the wires coming out for a flash finish. Here's the main piece nice and dried. Now, the fun part begins, which is gluing all the wooden flowers and leaves. I attach a knife hook at the top of the wooden ring. Now, using a piece of leather cord, I will create a loop to hang it. To cover the sides of the wooden rings, I will glue some of the leather cord around it. As a final touch, I will add a bird to the tree. Here is the final reveal. Let me know what you think of this project in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.